Is your Oppo Reno 10 power button broken or simply not working?
Don't panic, you can still turn off your phone without using the power button. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to switch off your Oppo Reno 10 using built-in features.
No third-party apps, no complicated settings, and no technical experience required. Be sure to watch until the end because I'll also show you a backup method that works if the first option isn't available on your device. Since different ColorOS versions may have slightly different menus, I'll explain each step so you can follow along easily. If this tutorial saves you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Oppo tips, Android tricks, and easy smartphone tutorials. Now, let's switch off your Oppo Reno 10 without the power button.